Hello everyone and welcome to this Flodesk versus ConvertKit comparison. Which one should you pick? Now, choosing the right email platform is crucial for online business and creators looking to connect with their audience effectively. Flodesk and ConvertKit are two prominent players in this space, each offering a unique set of features and benefits. This comparison provides a step-by-step analysis of their features, pricing, pros and cons, and this will help you to determine which platform is best according to your specific needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description to both services so you can sign up and start your journey. Now, when it comes to the features, we'd like to start with segmentation. Flodesk is user-friendly at tagging, while ConvertKit has an advanced tagging and segmentation system. When it comes to email design, Flodesk has beautiful customizable templates, while ConvertKit, on the other hand, offers a functional editor and emphasizes on plain text. If you're wondering about core functionality, Flodesk is streamlined for email creation, while ConvertKit has a robust audience management and automation system. And talking about automation, Flodesk is basic and has limited integrations. ConvertKit, on the other hand, has a powerful and a wide range of integrations. The user face for both Flodesk and ConvertKit are nice. Flodesk is clean, intuitive, and has a drag and drop feature, while ConvertKit is functional, straightforward, and has visual automations. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Flodesk has a free plan, and you can use this to grow with forms and landing pages. The email marketing plan comes at $38 per month, and the e-commerce add-on at $26 per month. ConvertKit, on the other hand, has a free or newsletter plan with up to 10,000 subscribers, one email sequence, and one user. The creator plan starts at $25 per month and has unlimited visual automation and email sequences, and you could have this with 2 users. The Creator Pro starts at $50 per month with advanced analytics and unlimited users. Now, as we know with any service, we'd like to let you know about the pros and cons. Flodesk has beautiful templates, it is user-friendly, and has a simple pricing structure. On the flip side, with the cons, it has fewer advanced features and limited integrations. ConvertKit, on the other hand, with the pros, has advanced automation and segmentation. It also is strong on deliverability and it has many integrations. On the flip side, with the cons, it has less visual templates and it can be considered more complex with its interface when compared to Flodesk. And the scaling with the pricing can be perceived as a con depending on your budget. In conclusion, the choice between Flodesk and ConvertKit hinges on your individual priorities and the complexity of your email marketing strategy. Flodesk is an excellent choice for those who value visual appeal, ease of use, and a predictable pricing. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is better suited for users who require advanced automation, detailed segmentation, and a wide array of integrations to manage more intricate marketing workflows. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to start with one of them. And if you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.